Are you excited for the trip?
Yeah.
And do you think we can get the rest of that stuff in the car?
Yeah.
You think there's enough room?
Yep.
Let's do it. Brooke, we got it all in?
Yeah.
Every last bit of my trunk is totally full. But we got everything in that we needed.
Uh-huh.
Are you ready for this trip?
Yep.
Are you ready for this trip? Yeah? Are you ready for this trip?
Yes, I am.
At Target, drive up order, gotta get some snacks for the trip.
By the way, due to high demand, your order may take longer than usual.
Great.
I'm like seeing all these vehicles and not knowing which one to go to, sorry. Back with you, backseat trunk.
I'll take them.
Right here, yep.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Okay.
Got it.
Alright.
Thank
you. Guys have a good one.
You too.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Hey, I'm gonna think of a pickup line. I'm gonna think of a pickup line and I'm gonna tell it to you at some point tonight. And it's gonna sweep you off your feet, I tell you.
Okay. Can't wait.
There they go to Target. Brooke, Charlotte, and the wife. Bathroom break. Good luck. Okay. I went to the bathroom at Target, and now finally, we are back on the road.
Kids screaming in the crate.
We're in Oregon!
Those profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
You like it?
Oh, the beads! Wow! Oh, over here they're having a party!
Oh yeah!
I love everything. Fire spread.
Hey Charlotte! You sitting at the bar? Brooke, are you playing Atari in this room?
Yes, I am, and I'm not gonna give up.
You're not gonna give up? Okay, cool, that's a great attitude. Cool mirror. Look at this thing. You got the drapes, you got the chairs. Everything is exactly as it would be in the 70s. You got this beautiful view. Oh my gosh, Brooke, is this view amazing?
Yeah.
So amazing. All right, we got an 8-ball right here. Sweet. What does it say? It is decidedly so. Okay, we got record player right here. It opens up like that. I think this actually works. We're gonna have to try it out tomorrow. We got all the records over here. Look, you got Carly Simon. What else we got? I saw Marvin Gaye earlier. Oh, so cool. Okay. Old school Atari system. That's pretty sweet. You got the old school Yahtzee. I mean, all these games. It came with random movies here. Midnight Cowboy. Apocalypse Now. Duplex. Rosemary's Baby. No, thank you. A Very Harold and Kumar Christmas. Again, just the seat, the sofa, all the mushroom art. I mean, this just screams 70s, right? The decor up here, the glasses, everything, the bar stools. It is 70s on 70s on 70s. Sun's starting to go down, so we gotta turn on some of these lights. Even the ice box. I mean, look at this. Alright, turn on the light. This thing looks like an old school refrigerator. Doesn't it look like an old refrigerator?
Yeah.
Yep. What state are we in, Brooke?
Oregon.
Oregon! There's a disco ball. I haven't figured out how to use this one, though. Wait, I think this is it. I think this is it. The disco ball works. Brooke! Disco ball! Look at the disco ball, Brooke.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Party. What's your best dance move? Ooh, ooh. That's the Brooke, huh? I like that dance move. We're about to go to Pig and Pancake. It's a breakfast place. Hopefully we can get food for dinner. Okay, that wait was ridiculous. Not gonna eat there at all. On to plan B. We are back at the hotel. Plan B is we're just gonna cook dinner in the kitchen. Oh, dinner looks great. That's for the girls. They're gonna love this.
Hey Jude,
Hey babe, my love for you is like diarrhea. I just can't hold it in. Okay girls, are we excited about the bonfire on the beach, making s'mores?
Yes.
Yes, yes. I'm gonna dig a hole and do my man stuff.
You do your man stuff.
Okay. Step one, a hole's dug. You can't really see it because it's dark, but there's a hole there. Now I gotta put the fire stuff in.
Oh my goodness.
Envirolog. Envirolog. Okay. 2 logs, wood on top. Hopefully that works. Okay, here we go. I got the lighter.
I'm going to get fire. Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, Brookie, we have our marshmallows ready. Mom's got the graham crackers and chocolate going. Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Dad, you getting on fire?
I'm getting them all cooked. Yeah. Oh, look, it's on fire. There, it's all, look. Now it's perfect.
Well, I'm not going to do that to my marshmallow.
No?
That's how you make us more.
Okay. I'm gonna get your marshmallow all toasted and ready.
Yay.
Look, there's like so many fires. 1 there, 2, 3, 4. That one's at C. That's a light. 5, 6. You come down here. 7, 8, 9, 10. Fireworks! So this is the part of the day where I tell you that I got a private fireworks show all set up for us.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, totally. The fire's dying down, but we had a good time. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Guys, want to put
First
the fire
day.
out? Want to put the fire out?
In 1 second. Vlog over.